it's the next day. Good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, so today's agenda, we go to grocery stores to get heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. Yep, to decorate her birthday cake. And yeah, some like glues, like stick glue, and yeah, like little things for the party. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go get some food because I want to get like fresh food for the party. So today is 2 days prior, tomorrow is a day before the party. So yeah, today we get just like little things for the party. Yeah, and I have to complete decorating the house for the party today, the balloon arch and everything. So yeah, we have lots of things to do, lots of stores to go. Yeah, so let's get started. Yay! So this is our fit today. OTD. So Papa Queen. Yeah, cute shoes, but that's for inside, so we have to change the shoes. Papa Queen and Mom. Casual and baby. Cute. Sorry for the mess. Like I'm doing all kind of stuff for the party. So let's go. Lollipop. We are already. We got the goods. Next, we are going to get iced tea and lemonade. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, it's tea. The party, tea party. So we have to get tea, nice tea, and I got lemonade and Coke. Okay. Yeah, and she's getting this little cute one. Hey, yeah. She's a little upset. Let's go. We are at Target. So we are waiting for the drive-up pickup, and yeah, we are going home after this. Got the goods. Let's go home. So we are home now. I put down my baby, and I'm gonna start decorating the house. Yeah, I put away all the groceries and stuff. And I printed out the cake smash pictures that I took at the photo shoot and my husband, and they were so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna add the photos to the decoration. Why not, right? They were so cute. I'm gonna show you guys. So these are the cake smash pictures. Look at it. So cute. Yeah. We had a photo shoot yesterday, so obviously they were not professionally done. They are just pictures we took at the photo shoot. Yeah, that's so cute. Yeah. So I'm gonna start the balloons. Yep. Yeah, we have this kind of balloons too. So let's get started. Oh, stop. She's wearing the earmuffs so that it won't be like too loud. Yeah, very loud. Okay. Get started. So the piggy is here. One done. I should put band-aid on my finger because it's gonna be scraped doing this. band-aid on here. Okay, put band-aid on. Okay, let's get started. We blew up all the balloons. Wow! Yep, so many balloons. I'm gonna make an arch. Somebody awake. Yeah, so the baby woke up earlier than I thought. Yeah, she didn't sleep long, so yeah. Oh! I'm gonna make an arch with these two babies. Yeah, let's do it. So the arch is done. Like this. I'm gonna hang it. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. It's always the struggle to hang up the balloon arch. Wait. Almost. Let's go. Yay! Hi. Good morning. It fell. Okay, let's fix. She's blowing the one. Kia one. Hey guys, so it's next day, another preparation for the party. Okay, so I'm gonna decorate the cake now. So I baked the cake the same way I baked for the smash cake photo shoot. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the top part though. I'm gonna use just like the bottom part of the cupcake. So let's get started. I just crumb coated the cake. This doesn't have to be perfect. Just coat the cake with the cream. So I made stabilized whipped cream icing the other day for the smash cake, and I didn't really like it. So I just gonna use heavy whipping cream to decorate the cake. So I'm gonna whip the cream and start decorating. I'm gonna make egg salad. While making egg salad, I'm gonna make cupcakes too. Yeah, I have so many things to do, so just multitasking. Snack time. salad completed.
No,
Look who woke up. Yay! She was crying in the bed when she woke up.
Papa one.
Look what she's wearing.
Papa,
So
Papa.
cute, baby. Your birthday party tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna cook dinner and continue preparing for the party. Yay! This is flower. Yay! Finally, I decorated all the cookies. Hearts, Cheshire cats. So cute. I'm going to bed. Charcuterie board is done. They turn out great.